back to my channel. I'm here with Zach. Hello. We have another Universal Yums little snack subscription box try on. Taste test. We had Italy, and what was the one after that? Germany. So we've already tried Italian and German. Now we're trying Spanish snacks from Spain. This is Universal Yums. If you haven't tried them before, it's been very interesting. Last time Zach didn't like much, and the comments were like, oh my god, I would be afraid to take him out to eat. Let me tell you, that's not normal. He's usually a food-loving person, and that's why it made it all the more funny to me that he didn't like anything. So hopefully this time we have some better luck. I did take a peek at the first item though, and I'm a little worried. So here's our box. Oops. Right on top, these are artisan potato chips from La Abuela Nieves, I don't know. Lemon and black pepper chips. So here's what they look like. So we have lemon and black pepper bread things. These smell better. What? You have to smell things.
They smell like lemon pepper. Those are good.
I mean, those are pretty good. They taste like just regular old potato chips. Good ones. With a little lemon and just a tiny bit of pepper. Pepper's not strong in these. Okay, so you'll probably like these a little bit more than me. These are, how would you pronounce that? Phonics? Conix?
Sure.
These are sabor queso. So this is bacon and cheese, and they basically look like bugles, which I thought was really funny. So that's what they look like. I don't know about this because like bacon flavor doesn't sound good to me. What do you think?
America. Bacon's big.
These are from Spain.
I know, but bacon's big in America. I don't know why.
I'm not a bacon person, so those basically taste like regular bugles.
Yep.
I like regular bugles, so I'm not mad at this one. Those are good too. This I think got a little bit smudged, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out. This is, it says D. Sancho Malero cream-filled snack cake. It's orange packaging, which makes me want it to be like orange flavored, because you know, I like orange flavored snacks. I hope that that's zooming in. And why does it look so yellow? That's okay.
It was all yellow.
It's definitely orange, so I don't know why it's showing up yellow, but let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna show you what it looks like because it looks a little messy, but it got smushed a little bit.
Custard cream cortadillo is what it is.
I want it to have more flavor.
That's good.
Do you want it?
Sure.
I'm not the biggest fan of that. Like, it's not bad, it's not terrible, but like I want it to have more, but it's just what, custard? I feel like this is just like kind of creamy and a little sweet, but does it taste like anything to you?
Tastes like a little custard cream donut.
That's it? Okay. Well, I mean, I could do without those. So this I'm excited for. These are the gummy spicy mangoes. I was actually thinking about ordering these where I ordered your birthday candy from. They said that they're sweet, and then like the more you eat them, they get a little bit spicy. But they said it's not novelty. Like this is just like a good candy. It's not like just something weird, you know? Is this a different brand? Because these are spicy right off the bat.
Those are good.
They're spicier than I expected. I don't know how I feel about those.
They're good. Sweet and spicy.
This is La Casitos Gold. This is white chocolate candy. They're in like a little plastic tube. Let's see. Oh, they look like little, kind of like M&Ms.
M&M's.
Nope. I'm not a big caramel person. These taste like caramel. They're white chocolate with caramel flavor.
I like them.
Okay, well, I guess this time I'm the person who doesn't like anything. I'm pretty picky anyway. So in our little bag, which sometimes you get like little bitty treats, there are 4 candies, 2 of each flavor. So this one is the creme de pistachio toffees. Oh, I didn't show them. I'll show you mine. Other frame.
Kind of.
That tastes like Home Depot smells. Mm-mm. No, ma'am. Honestly, that's wood shavings right there. It started to change flavor, but I was already done with it.
Good.
Okay, what's this next one? It says Toffers chocolate, Spanish chocolate toffees.
Did you show any toffee?
This tastes like a Tootsie Roll. And Tootsie Rolls are not good. I'm sorry. Sorry, Tootsie Rolls.
Doesn't taste as sweet as a Tootsie Roll. No, Tootsie Roll's very sugary. This doesn't taste that way.
It's weird because I usually like the sweet stuff, and not really any of the sweets that I love. What's your favorite?
Probably the little rolled things.
I think my favorite was actually the little Conics bugles, basically. I'm gonna try the spicy mangoes again. I don't know. I'm just not in the mood for that right now. So I feel like later I'll like it better.
Maybe.
What is
You
it?
might. I don't think you will. If you didn't taste the mango right off the bat, and it slowly transitioned into spicy, you're not gonna like it. That's what happened to me. I ate it, and I tasted the mango and the sweetness, and it slowly
No,
shifted.
I got like both all at once. It was just like bam, but that's how it was described. They start off like mango and they get spicy, but to me it was just like spicy. Maybe I just got one that was like more spicy than others. I don't know, but and I like spicy stuff. Like I love spicy stuff, but that is just not it. So anyway, that is our candy box from Spain. Hey, pick him up. He likes to make his appearances. Oh. Yeah.
He really is a pleasant cat.
He's a sweetheart, but he does not like to be held for long.
Or held. He's a sweetheart in his own time.
He will crawl up into my lap, or his lap, anybody's lap, and just lay and cuddle, but he has to initiate it. Right, buddy? Okay.
Careful, don't. Careful.
I got you. Alright, thank you guys for watching. What should they do now?
Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family.
You sound so enthusiastic. Like, comment, subscribe. So make sure to like this video if you like us trying on, I keep saying that. If you like us opening these snack boxes, if you enjoy it, be sure to leave a thumbs up and let me know so that we will continue to do them. Otherwise, maybe I won't. Just kidding.
Well, they're fun.
They are fun. I like doing this, and I find that I like more of it than I don't like. And usually, like every item, one of us likes it, so I feel like it's worth it just to try things. It's fun. What?
Your camera's been moved twice.
Yeah, he just does that. So if you ever watch one of my videos and my camera and it's like moving and you're like, what's going on? It's not a poltergeist. It's just Minner's rubbing his face on the tripod. So, okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.